The Amalfi Coast, a dream in blue and green. Close your eyes. Imagine a place where the mountains meet the sea in a dramatic embrace, where pastel-colored villages cling to cliffs, their terracotta roofs shimmering under the Italian sun, where the air is filled with the scent of lemons and the sound of waves crashing against ancient rocks. This is the Amalfi Coast, a stretch of coastline so beautiful it seems almost unreal. The Amalfi Coast is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and for good reason. Its natural beauty is unparalleled, a masterpiece painted by nature itself. The azure waters of the Tyrrhenian Sea lap gently against the rugged coastline, creating 1,000 shades of blue and green. The air is sweet with the scent of bougainvillea, jasmine and citrus groves that thrive in the Mediterranean climate. Villages that climb the cliffs. From the moment you arrive, you'll be captivated by the charm of the villages that dot the Amalfi Coast. Each one is unique, a cluster of houses painted in vibrant hues of lemon yellow, terracotta orange and deep fuchsia, clinging to the steep cliffs like brightly colored building blocks. Stroll through the narrow winding streets where bougainvillea spills over balconies and the aroma of freshly baked bread wafts from local bakeries. Stop for a leisurely lunch at a trattoria perched on a cliff edge, savoring the flavors of fresh seafood and sun-ripened tomatoes while enjoying breathtaking views of the sea. The road less traveled, a drive to remember. The Amalfi Drive, also known as SS 163, is not for the faint of heart, but it's an experience you won't soon forget. This narrow, winding road hugs the coastline, offering breathtaking views at every turn. Rent a car or hop on a local bus and feel the wind in your hair as you navigate the hairpin bends. Stop at the numerous lookout points to capture the stunning vistas of the coastline, with its hidden coves, dramatic cliffs, and sparkling blue waters. Treasures of the Coast: Positano, Amalfi and Ravello. No trip to the Amalfi Coast is complete without visiting some of its most iconic towns. Positano, with its cascading houses and glamorous boutiques, is a sight to behold. Amalfi, the coast's namesake, is a historic town with a charming harbour and a magnificent cathedral. And Ravello, perched high above the coastline, offers breathtaking panoramic views that have inspired artists and writers for centuries. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a cultural adventure, or simply a chance to relax and soak up the Mediterranean sun, the Amalfi Coast has something to offer everyone. The Amalfi Coast is more than just a destination. It's a sensory experience that stays with you long after you've left its sunny shores. Please like, comment and subscribe to Travel Tales. Thank you.